What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style OG. And on today's video, I've got my review of the New Republic Suede Chelsea boot in black. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap the notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Noble House, salute. Now, if you've been rocking with me for a while, you probably already know I'm a big fan of the New Republic shoe brand. I think they probably have the best combination of value and style for your money. They have a wide range of casual and dressy shoes, most of them not topping out over $100, and they're not cheap quality. I have several pair, and my introduction to the brand was definitely their sand-colored suede Chelsea boot. I hadn't come across a boot with this much style, value, and design for $100. Quality suede, nice and sleek, well put together, super sexy, versatile, and comfortable. So when they dropped the black pair and I had an opportunity to grab a pair, I was super excited. You don't often see black suede Chelsea boots, and you definitely don't see them at this great of a price. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a complete rundown of what you get for your money. The construction, the materials, design, comfort level, and whether it's true to size. So without further ado, let's get into my review of the New Republic Suede Chelsea boot in black. Of course, naturally, if you want to grab a pair for yourself, I'm going to have a link in the description. Now, one of the things I'm definitely excited about this boot, if you're familiar with most shoes that have crepe soles, they're going to get dirty right away. They're so light. And with this one having a black sole, I think it's going to hold up much better than traditional crepe sole, like with my New Republic in sand, that gets dirty the first time you wear it out. So that's definitely an extra bonus. Now, this black suede Chelsea boot from New Republic is called the Harvey, and it retails for $99. So what exactly do you get for your $99? You get a nice quality suede cowhide upper. It's soft, it's supple. For $99, I think it's a great value for this quality of suede. I really love the contrast of this vegetable tan welt. I think this brown is a great contrast with the black. You also have a nice reinforced spine. And of course, it wouldn't be a Chelsea boot if you didn't have the elastic sides. Now, as you rotate to the back, you see you have this pull tab with the New Republic logo on it. Not the biggest fan of that, would have preferred if it was just all black, but a minor complaint at most. Now, one of the things that makes this boot extremely comfortable, you have a leather-lined padded insole that's super soft, super supportive. And most shoes in this price point, you're not gonna get leather lining, so kudos for that. And with what's standard for your Chelsea boot, you got the natural crepe outsole. But like I said, big bonus for having a black outsole. I don't see this one getting dirty. This is a big advantage it has over your typical crepe sole shoe. Now, as far as the design goes, it's not too dramatic of a pointy toe. I think it's a nice middle ground round toe that's sleek, stylish, but not too fashion forward. And I like that about this boot. And if it's anything like the sand-colored one, it's gonna be super comfortable, gonna hold up over time. I did an updated review on the sand-colored ones after wearing them for 6 months or so. I'll leave that video link in the description. They've held up very well. I'm gonna assume the black ones, I'll have the same fate with these as far as durability and how they hold up over time. And the great thing about Chelsea boots, they're just a super sexy shoe. Classic style that just adds a little bit of edge to your wardrobe. You can wear these with jeans, you can wear them with trousers, throw them on with the suit. You're definitely upping your style game with the suede Chelsea boot. So now that we talked about what you get with the boot, its construction, the materials, and so forth, let's take a quick look on how it looks on foot, and we'll talk about how it fits. And as you can see, I quickly threw these on with the pair of jeans, and they look so smooth, so sexy. Now, I grabbed a pair in 11.5, and to be honest with you, I find them to be a little big. I believe I could have easily gone a half a size down. Not sure if I'm gonna exchange these. Might have to double up on the socks a little bit. Slightly big. So if you're gonna grab yourself a pair, I definitely suggest you go about a half size down. And as I expected, no surprise, just like my sand color ones are super comfortable, these are as well. The padded leather-lined insole doing wonders for support and comfort. Hard to find any complaints with these Chelsea boots. So what are my overall thoughts on these New Republic Suede Chelsea boots in black, the Harveys? I think they're outstanding. Well designed, quality construction and materials, and all for $99, hard to beat. My only complaint, Don't really care for the New Republic logo on the pull tab. Other than that, can't really find anything wrong with these boots. So on a scale of 1 to 10 salutes, I'm gonna give these New Republic black suede Chelsea boots 9.5 salutes. Okay, so there you have it. My review of the New Republic suede Chelsea boots in black. There's a link in the description if you wanna grab a pair for yourself. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.